So what we're proposing here is a SPE-in free initiative, which is a play on words of stain, because what we're going to talk about here is about hygiene. Now, all of us have different careers. I have a major in law, and both of them are in engineering. However, they're in industrial engineering and are going to address the different areas that this career has, so that we can propose this initiative to improve hygiene standards in the Tecnológico de Monterrey, the government, and in any possible area that could implement this program. It has different elements, but in my major, I'm going to implement these norms and these specifications as a law. Why? So that it becomes regulated in every institution, in every faculty, in every building, that there should be this logistics plan implemented so that we can improve the hygiene standards in our countries, since it can affect us in our health.
Okay. So basically the problem is the lack of hygiene and the lack of good service that is provided here in the restrooms at the campus. So we have discovered like so many ways in which we can help this initiative to become a great initiative, and it could be also achieved as a goal, as a personal goal and an institutional goal, in order to improve the conditions of every person who uses the restrooms here in campus. So in my major, industrial engineering, specifically in logistics, I will be in charge of three things basically. The first one will be to make new schedules of work for every person who will be working here in this program, which basically we will be needing like approximately like 60 to 70 janitors plus 30 people who will be in charge of uploading different stuff to the app, and also who will be providing some upgrades to the app. Then the other thing that I will be in charge of is to develop the software that will be telling the people who is working with this app and with this program, with this initiative, how many staff do we have and how many staff do we need. And I will place there the better options in order to have the best prices in the market. Also, I will be in charge of uploading some different news about the restrooms that are available, and the ones that are out of service, just to provide the client a better service in this app. Will be also be part of this logistic in the industrial engineering.
As an industrial engineer student, also as Juan Carlos is, I focus on processes and formulating a solution for the hygiene problem our institution is facing. My solution consists on developing the technological app that Juan Carlos already talked about. It will include like a SAPA application that the teachers uses here to mark attendance of the students, and for the janitors to, depending on their turn, they can mark their attendance, and that way we can make sure that the restrooms are maintained and cleaned the way they need to be. The application will also include all the logistics organization, how the materials required and accessible that each restroom needs, and the schedules of the janitors. All the information and organization that Juan Carlos did is going to appear also in the app. And also there will be like a feedback space in which the students that are the ones that we consider that are the most affected by this problem will be able to write down whatever feedback or if the restrooms are not cleaned in order for us to improve our solution. And I really think that this hygiene issue is a very important concern that needs to be solved, since it involves the students' health, and I really think that our solution can really make a difference.
So this is, as a matter of fact, is one of the problems that may concerns the students and the teachers and every people who is coming to our institution and who is attending to the restrooms. So it is difficult, it is a challenge to improve the hygiene and all the processes in order to have good restrooms here at campus, but we think this is the solution that will be starting in order to reach that goal.